Pajamas prop firm. Why you should be aware of them. Welcome to BlackPipper Forex. Today I have again come up with another topic related to Forex prop firms. Today I'll highlight what are the pajamas prop firm that you are seeing every day. They're walking around just like mushrooms. So we'll discuss what are these firms and how we can avoid these firms, how we have to be aware of them. Being an old trader with 11 years in the market, I have seen many things in the prop firm industry, and I know so much things that mostly the newbies and beginners do not know about it. So let's get started. Most of the traders, when they start signing up with any prop firm, they simply look at the funding, the sign up fee, and they just simply look at the parameters of the prop firm, but they do not look at the problems. Actually, there are several problems that they can face. For example, there are many glitches that come around related to the servers. For example, that happened with FTMO, funding talent, and the 5%ers. All of these firms had some glitches related to the servers, but they took the responsibility and they made refunds to the traders who had claimed their losses. If there is any firm that connects you actually to a demo account, and the whole purpose of that firm is just to collect the money as a sign-up fee, so that firm cannot actually compensate you in such a situation. If you are an old trader, for example, like if you have been trading for the last 4 or 5 years, you might have seen many prop firms that you might have heard of a firm called Blue Point Trading. So they stayed in the market for quite time, and they had a good customer base as well. They were very famous at the time. But then all of a sudden they disappeared. We do not know where they went, and when you go to their website, it's blank. Just one fine morning, there was no Blue Point Trading in the market. And do you think this is the first time that it happened? No. And will it be the last time? No. So these kind of firms will keep coming and going. They're all the purpose would be just to accumulate the sign-up fees and just to eat up and let the traders fail with their complicated rules and just disappear. Okay, the next point is support. It is really crucial to have a nice support team for a prop firm. So let's assume if a prop firm is operating from a room in your house, from room in someone's house, and there is one single person doing all the things. Then if you have any support, any problem, if you have any trouble, you contact them, you'll be answered, for example, 3 days later, a week later, which is really frustrating for you. So for example, if I had a problem with the glitch that came with the 5%ers, the pricing in the pricing. So what happened, I talked to the support team. They immediately resolved my problem within an hour. So this is what actually represents a good firm. A good firm must have a great customer support. The fourth point is really crucial for you to understand. Just keep in mind, whenever you sign up for a prop firm, you are not only signing up for the funding, you are actually signing up to get the whole package. You have to ask for more. Ask your prop firm to give you more facilities, like they should give you the resources, good amount of knowledge, education, blogs, etc. This is very important for you to learn and grow yourself. Let me show you the blogs that the 5%ers have and the FTMO has. So you'll find there are plenty of educational materials out there. Like this is the FTMO blog. You will see plenty of useful articles on it. See, each article is really a great amount of knowledge. Similarly, if you see the 5%ers, it's loaded with the knowledge. It's loaded with a lot of things, a lot of unique educational content out there. So this is what I ask for a prop firm. If a prop firm gives you a strong education material, gives you a nice platform, and of course the next point that I'm going to discuss is the dashboard. If you have a dashboard, that's really important for you as a trader. But before going to the dashboard, let me discuss how it works, how these pajama firms work actually. These are actually the firms with demo account. Their data is not connected to any real account, any real data, and simply give you a demo account with the help of any brokerage house. What you do is you pay them the money, and they let you fail. Even if you pass, still there is a problem in the payouts. They have many complicated rules that let you fail actually. So if it happens, that's only because they do not have a backup amount of investment that the legit prop firms have. They actually take the risk, and they keep risking their money, and they keep investing their money in the traders, because they actually consider their traders as their assets, not as their enemies or not as their victims like the non-legit firms do. They think that every person who sign up with them must fail so that they earn good amount of money. You can see there are many prop firms that have a nice dashboard that shows you the statistics, that shows you your details of trading. The statistics are really important for you to find your mistakes, point out how lagging behind are you from your targets, and there are many other things that actually require the data. And there are plenty of firms. There are so many firms out there that do not have any single dashboard. Let me show you a little glimpse of the dashboard from the 5%. There are plenty of options out there. You can see that there are so many things that give you insight about your trade. So there is a must to have a dashboard. If it is a pajama prop firm doesn't have a dashboard. So the conclusion of discussing all these points is that a pajama firm will take you as a victim. It will treat you as a victim, not as an asset. And a legit firm will actually invest in resources to help the traders out. So this is the basic difference between the pajama firms and the legit firms. And please do watch my videos that I previously recorded, how to choose a Forex prop firm. It has some rules and that I defined. These are the rules that help you to find out whether a firm is legit or not. You do not need anyone's help. Just scan a firm through those points, and I hope you'll reach the conclusion. Lastly, as I mentioned in my previous video, I have just created a group on Facebook to create a community of Forex traders. You can find some information in the group. You can also post your questions, queries, and we can really build it into a nice community. So you are welcome to join the group and stay active in it. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please leave in the comment section. You can reach me through my social media profile.